GBPUSD is currently in the sideways moving. We can see that in the last 3 weeks what has happened. We can see since the last analysis the price has fallen down completely. We can see this pin bar bullish one and also again the second one, and here I have entered into the trade and currently I'm still in it. We can see that the prices after the format bullish pin bar, the price has returned back up, reaching this supply zone and then reversing back down. And we can see that price has formatted the second bullish pin bar around this demand zone, and then currently the price is here again testing this this supply zone. So the price is bouncing between these two price levels. We can see it here, which is a weekly support 1.26 price level, and also this one here 1.28 demand supply zone. We can also see here that currently the price has touched this weekly uptrend trend line, so we will see what happens. For now we can see that this week has started with this bullish pin bar, then we had 3 days as a bullish one, the price reached again this price level and then bouncing again from this price level. So we can make a conclusion that on the Friday the price did not go down below this confluence of support and resistance, but it has tried to reach lower levels, but it has ended a little bit up close to this one and did not close below this candle's body. On the weekly time frame we can see what's happening. The price has completely in the last 3 weeks has reached 1.26 price level, which was mentioned in the previous analysis that the price could reach here and then bounce. Then the next week has started again to move down, and we can see that this week has ended as a bullish one. We can see that what is good, and that is that the price did not close below 1.268 this week, which is also a great information for the bulls for now. We can see that the price has gone outside of this weekly channel, and it is also very important where the price currently is. And see what is on the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame we can see that the previous month has ended as a bullish one, which is also a very good information, and we can see that the price has reached close to this one price level, which is very important, and that is 1.26 area and also 1.257. So we can see that the price has reached this one, which was also a very important resistance in the past when the price has tried to break above. So we can also make a conclusion what can happen in the future for this month and also for the future months. This could be also some kind of confirmation of the previous resistance now acting as a support. After the prices break up above, the prices reach high price levels. Price did not make a retrace strong enough on this one, on this July, but it could make on August, making a retrace confirming this 1.26 and also 1.2564 price level as a next great support, and then continue to move that up. I'm still bullish on this pair because I am expecting that the price will try to reach 1.33 price level in the future. As it looks on the monthly time frame, I'm still bullish, and also we can see that the previous month has not ended as a bearish, it's still bullish, and I'm expecting that the price will try to stay above 1.227 price level, to round it up, to stay a bullish still. If the price goes down in this month for the next 2 weeks and closes the month below 1.257 price level, which is a very critical level, you can see it here, 1.255 and also 1.26, then I will check again how the market looks on the weekly and also daily time frame. But for now, on the monthly time frame, I am still expecting that this could be some kind of smaller retrace, retesting the previous resistance, now acting as a support, 1.26 price level. Let's see just a minute what are the next levels critical for the monthly time frame. This is the first one, it is 1.29 price level. We need to see monthly candle closing above 1.29 to continue to move up to the next one, and that is, just a minute, let's see it here, the first one here. So from here, that is 1.3 and also 1.31. This is the next area where the price will try to reach, but the first one where the price needs to go above is 1.29 price level. Let's go to the weekly time frame. After breaking below this uptrend channel on the weekly time frame, the price has retested again. We can see it here. 2 weeks ago, the price is tested to 6 price level, bounced back up. That is a pin bar. I have mentioned the first one. We can see the first one is here, the second one is here, and this is the third one. So the price is testing this price level for the third time on a weekly time frame. That the previous resistance now acting as a support, but this is the first time that the price is testing this previous resistance as a support on a monthly time frame. So if we have 3 times confirmed this support as a next support, and if it is confirmed on the monthly, then it will be a great signal for the price that there is a possibility that this support is too strong for the sellers and enough strong for the buyers to push the price on higher price levels. For now, as it looks on the weekly time frame, I am expecting that the price will continue try to break out to the upside on a daily time frame. We will see how that looks, but for now I'm expecting that the price stays above 1.27 price level. You can see it here, 1.268, which is very critical on a weekly time frame to be a bullish. So the price is outside, but there is a possibility that the price could continue to move again inside this uptrend channel. The first price level where the price needs to break above is 1.228 price level, and also 1.29 here. You can see it here, 1.29, which is very important on the monthly time frame, but we can see what is very important on the weekly. So on the weekly time frame is 1.282 price level. We can see it here, very important level to continue to move up. So I need to see the price moving up and then continue to move to the next level. But if the price goes below that and closes the price below, the next one that price needs to hold is 1.262 price level, and it is around number 1.26. If it goes below that, then the next level where the price will move is 1.25 price level. So it is 100 pips below that. But I'm still bullish, and I'm expecting that the price will continue to move up, and we will see how this looks on the daily. On the daily, we can see the price is moving sideways. 2 strong bullish pin bars right in the middle between the support and the resistance are not so very good in signal. I like to see them here around the demand zone, but also we can see that the price was touching this uptrend channel trend line, and also we can see that currently the price is moving sideways. So it is a very unclear information for me, but based on the weekly and also monthly analysis, better on the weekly, I'm expecting that the price will try to move to push the price on the higher price levels. So I'm expecting that the price will hold, but what can happen? It can happen that the price goes below that on the daily time frame and closes below and reaching then again 1.26 price level. If we see the candle's body reaching these price levels here, there is a probability that the pressure that is pushing the price from the higher price levels to here will push the price even more down, reaching around 1.259 price level. You can see it is demand zone here. But if the price stays above 1.267 on the daily and the candle's body doesn't close there below, then there is a probability that the price will try to push the price on higher price levels. And that means if the price closes the candle's body above 1.278, we will need a second candle here confirming a breakout, and then that will continue and confirm the price to move to the higher price levels. But for now, I'm still bullish. I am expecting that the price will move, but I need a strong confirmation here, a breakout to the upside. If the price goes down and makes a candle's body below that, it will mean that the price will continue to move down. So currently the market is inside indecision area, which needs to be broken to see where the price will move, but I am more inclined to see the price levels on higher price levels in the future for the next 2 weeks. But we'll see what happens. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading!